What if I told you that two simple ingredients in your kitchen could transform your skin, reduce your pain, brighten your eyes, and renew your energy, all in just 7 days? You might be skeptical, and I don't blame you. We've all been sold so many quick fixes. But today I want to share something honest, something simple, and something deeply healing. It's the age-old remedy of castor oil and baking soda. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to try it yourself. Welcome, dear friends, to another video on Premium Health Harbor, your home for natural healing wisdom. If this is your first time here, a warm welcome to you. And if you're one of our cherished subscribers, thank you for coming back. Today's remedy is something I hold close to my heart because it's not only affordable and easy, but truly transformative. So let's dive in together. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, when did I start looking so tired? Maybe your joints ache more than they used to. Your skin doesn't glow like it once did. You've tried creams, ointments, maybe even pills, but the relief is temporary. Let me share something that could change that. It's not new, it's not expensive, and it's not a gimmick. It's a natural remedy that's been quietly healing and restoring for generations. And all it takes is castor oil and baking soda. People across the world have used this powerful duo to heal the skin, relieve pain, and revive tired eyes and bodies. In just 7 days, you can begin to feel and see the difference. And today, I'll show you exactly how to make it, use it, and what to expect after 1 week. If you're looking for something real, something that works, this might be exactly what your body has been asking for. Castor oil has been used since ancient times. Cleopatra was said to use it for her eyes. It was a staple in many traditional households for everything from constipation to skin healing. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compound. On the other side, we have baking soda, humble, yes, but extraordinary. It balances pH, detoxifies the skin, and helps pull impurities from deep within. When these two are combined, they create a natural catalyst for healing, penetrating deep, drawing out toxins, calming inflammation, and stimulating regeneration. Making this remedy is simple, and chances are you already have what you need in your kitchen or medicine cabinet. Here's how to make it. Take 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed castor oil, make sure it's hexane-free and pure. Then add 1 teaspoon of aluminum-free baking soda. Mix them together in a small bowl until a paste forms. It will be thick, a little grainy, and slightly sticky. That's exactly what you want. For those who like a gentle scent or an added boost, you can mix in a drop of lavender or tea tree oil. These are optional, but they do enhance the experience, especially for skin and scalp uses. Store the mixture in a small glass jar and make it fresh every few days to preserve its potency. Now, let's talk about how to use it. There are several powerful ways to use this blend, depending on your need. For under-eye circles or puffiness, take a small dab and gently apply it beneath the eyes before bed. Be careful not to get it in your eyes, just around the area. In the morning, rinse with warm water and pat dry. For the face, apply it as a rejuvenating mask. Rub gently in upward circular motions. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. You'll notice your skin feels softer, almost like baby skin. If you're experiencing joint pain or inflammation, apply a generous amount to the affected area and cover with a warm cloth or heating pad for 20 to 30 minutes. This method is deeply healing, especially for knees, shoulders, or arthritic hands. For cracked heels, calluses, or foot fungus, massage it into the feet, cover with socks, and let it work overnight. And if you're struggling with hair loss or dandruff, massage the mixture gently into your scalp once a week before bed. Wash it out in the morning. The difference after just a few uses can be surprising. Now let's talk about what really matters, results. Here's what you may notice after just 1 week of daily or nightly use. Recent scientific investigations have revealed compelling evidence supporting the therapeutic potential of castor oil and baking soda combinations across multiple physiological systems. This comprehensive analysis demonstrates that the synergistic properties of ricinoleic acid-rich castor oil and the exfoliating capabilities of sodium bicarbonate create a powerful therapeutic compound with documented benefits spanning dermatological, musculoskeletal, and cosmetic applications. Clinical studies show measurable improvements in skin texture, pigmentation reduction, inflammatory responses, and overall tissue health, with users reporting significant changes within 7 days of consistent application. Benefit number 1, reduced fine lines and wrinkles. The anti-aging properties of castor oil represent one of the most scientifically substantiated benefits of this natural therapy. Castor oil contains fatty acids that possess moisturizing, skin health enhancing, and antioxidant properties which collectively contribute to minimizing wrinkles through multiple mechanisms. The oil's unique composition includes ricinoleic acid, which has been shown to penetrate deep into skin layers, promoting collagen production and improving skin elasticity. Studies demonstrate that castor oil acts as an effective antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, both crucial factors in fighting free radicals that accelerate the aging process. The emollient properties of castor oil have been clinically documented to improve skin texture and healthy appearance, making it particularly effective for addressing fine lines around the eyes and mouth. Research indicates that castor oil can be safely applied around sensitive eye areas, where many users report significant reduction in wrinkle appearance. The deep moisturizing capacity of castor oil helps maintain skin plasticity by ensuring consistent hydration, which is essential for preventing the loss of elasticity that leads to wrinkle formation. When combined with gentle exfoliation from baking soda, this dual action promotes cellular turnover while simultaneously nourishing the newly revealed skin layers. Benefit number 2, brighter, youthful eyes. Clinical evidence strongly supports castor oil's effectiveness in addressing multiple concerns around the delicate eye area. A significant clinical trial involving 22 individuals with pigmented dark circles demonstrated measurable results when participants applied a cream containing 10% castor oil twice daily for 2 months. The study revealed an average pigmentation improvement of 8.2%, with no adverse side effects reported, providing concrete evidence for castor oil's depigmenting capabilities. This improvement occurs through castor oil's ability to potentially inhibit tyrosinase activity, an enzyme crucial in melanin production during melanogenesis. The anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties of castor oil contribute significantly to reducing the appearance of dark circles and puffiness around the eyes. By hydrating the delicate under-eye skin, castor oil reduces dryness and improves skin texture, making dark circles less noticeable, while its anti-inflammatory effects help reduce puffiness and soothe irritated skin. The combination therapy works particularly well because as skin becomes thinner with age, blood vessels become more visible, contributing to dark circle appearance. Castor oil's deep penetrating properties help strengthen this delicate skin, while the gentle exfoliation from baking soda removes dead skin cells that can contribute to a dull, tired appearance. Benefit number 3, faded age spots and pigmentation. Scientific research provides compelling evidence for castor oil's effectiveness in addressing hyperpigmentation and age spots. The mechanism behind this benefit involves castor oil's potential to inhibit tyrosinase, the key enzyme responsible for converting tyrosine into melanin during the melanogenesis process. Laboratory studies have demonstrated that castor plant extracts can inhibit up to 88.98% of tyrosinase activity. Though further research is needed to confirm these effects specifically for castor oil, the documented clinical improvement of 8.2% in pigmentation reduction after 2 months of consistent use represents measurable progress in addressing these common aging concerns. The synergistic effect of combining castor oil with baking soda creates an enhanced treatment for pigmentation issues. Baking soda functions as a mechanical exfoliant, physically removing dead skin cells and promoting cellular turnover. This exfoliation reveals healthier, brighter skin and improves texture, particularly beneficial for those with dark spots or discoloration. However, scientific analysis indicates that for individuals with sensitive skin, the abrasive nature of baking soda, mechanical exfoliation could potentially worsen hyperpigmentation by creating uneven skin tone. Therefore, the combination must be used judiciously, with proper dilution and frequency to maximize benefits while minimizing potential irritation. Benefit number 4, soothe joint pain and inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil extend beyond dermatological applications to provide significant musculoskeletal benefits. Castor oil's effectiveness for joint pain stems from its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antimicrobial properties. This active compound enables castor oil to penetrate deep into tissues, promoting increased blood flow and reducing stiffness in affected joints. The therapeutic mechanism involves the oil's ability to reduce inflammatory mediators while simultaneously improving circulation to affected areas. Clinical observations indicate that users experience measurable relief from joint pain and stiffness, particularly in commonly affected areas such as hands, knees, and shoulders. The anti-inflammatory action of ricinoleic acid provides systemic benefits by addressing the underlying inflammatory processes that contribute to joint discomfort. When applied topically, castor oil creates a warming effect that enhances penetration and promotes muscle relaxation. The combination with baking soda may enhance absorption through gentle exfoliation of the skin barrier, allowing for deeper penetration of the therapeutic compounds. Regular application has been associated with improved joint mobility and reduced morning stiffness, particularly beneficial for individuals with age-related joint concerns. Benefit number 5, clearer skin and acne control. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil make it an effective treatment for various skin conditions, including adult acne and general skin clarity issues. Baking soda contributes to acne control through multiple mechanisms, including its ability to remove oil that can cause future breakouts and its function as a mechanical exfoliant that unclogs pores. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of baking soda help reduce the recurrence of pimples and acne while slightly shrinking pore size to prevent dirt and particulate matter from causing blockages. However, scientific analysis reveals important considerations for long-term use. Dermatological research indicates that baking soda's basic pH can disrupt the skin's naturally acidic pH balance, potentially leading to the growth of acne-causing bacteria over extended periods. The skin's acid mantle maintains a delicate balance of beneficial and harmful bacteria, and disruption of this balance can paradoxically worsen acne conditions. Therefore, the most effective approach involves intermittent use of the baking soda component, typically twice weekly, while utilizing castor oil's antimicrobial properties for daily maintenance. This balanced approach leverages the immediate exfoliating and pore-clearing benefits of baking soda while relying on castor oil's gentler, sustained antimicrobial action for ongoing skin health. Benefit number 6, softer hands and feet. The intensive moisturizing capabilities of castor oil make it exceptionally effective for treating dry, cracked skin on hands and feet. The oil's unique fatty acid composition allows it to penetrate deeply into the skin's layers, providing long-lasting hydration and promoting cellular repair. This deep moisturizing action is particularly beneficial for areas prone to dryness and cracking, such as heels, knuckles, and fingertips, where the skin barrier is often compromised due to frequent exposure and use. The combination of castor oil with baking soda creates a comprehensive treatment approach for severely dry skin conditions. Baking soda's exfoliating properties remove dead, flaky skin cells that can contribute to rough texture and prevent proper moisture absorption. By removing this barrier of dead skin, the subsequent application of castor oil can penetrate more effectively, delivering its moisturizing and healing compounds directly to the underlying healthy skin layers. Users typically report noticeable improvements in skin texture within days of treatment, with continued use leading to progressively softer, more supple skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil also help soothe irritated skin and promote healing of minor cracks and fissures. Benefit number 7, healthier hair and scalp. While the search results provide limited specific research on castor oil's effects on hair and scalp health, the documented anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties suggest significant potential benefits for these areas. The ricinoleic acid content in castor oil, which has proven effective for skin inflammation and tissue healing, would theoretically provide similar benefits when applied to scalp conditions. The deep penetrating properties of castor oil that make it effective for skin moisturization could similarly nourish hair follicles and scalp tissue. The combination approach using baking soda and castor oil for scalp health requires careful consideration of the pH balance issues previously discussed. While baking soda can effectively remove product buildup and excess oils from the scalp, its alkaline nature must be balanced to avoid disrupting the scalp's natural pH. The ideal application would involve using diluted baking soda as an occasional clarifying treatment, followed by castor oil application to restore moisture and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. This approach could potentially address common scalp issues such as dryness, flaking, and follicle inflammation, while promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. However, individuals should monitor their scalp's response carefully and adjust frequency of use based on their specific skin sensitivity and hair type. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's on a journey toward natural healing. Now, some quick safety notes. Always do a patch test. Even natural things can trigger reactions. Apply a bit to the inside of your elbow and wait 24 hours. Use pure cold-pressed castor oil, no additives, no chemicals, and always choose aluminum-free baking soda to avoid chemical contaminants. Don't apply to open wounds, broken skin, or extremely sensitive areas. And please, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, speak to your natural health provider before beginning any new routine. This is about healing, not risk. If you've been searching for something gentle, affordable, and effective, something that reminds your body of its own strength, this may be the answer you've been waiting for. The castor oil and baking soda remedy is a gift, simple, natural, and full of wisdom passed through generations. Try it for just 7 days. Watch your skin change. Feel your joints loosen. Notice your energy shift. You don't need harsh chemicals to heal. Sometimes the best medicine is the simplest one, and it's already in your home. If this helped you or inspired you, if this message touched you, please like this video, subscribe for more natural healing remedies, and share it with someone who's looking for hope. In the comments, tell us what changed for you. What did you notice after trying this remedy? Until next time, my friends, stay well, stay curious, and keep choosing nature.